In this tutorial, we'll take on the role of workbook authors to learn how to use system parameters in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. System parameters are dynamic values that provide environment and user information about a user's system. Each workbook contains system parameters that are useful for tracking user activity and time-based data. In this example, I've created a workbook using a pre-built subject area. I want to add the user's name, the date, and time the user is viewing the workbook into an empty text box. In the Data pane, I'll select the Parameters tab to display the system parameters. There are 5 FDI-provided read-only parameters: current date, current date and time, display name, and username. When I hover over the parameters, a tooltip displays the current value. In this case, it shows my name as the current user. System parameters are automatically set by the system and cannot be deleted or modified. To use a system parameter in this workbook, I'll click Edit Text in the text box. I'll enter a descriptive label for context, then the parameter syntax, which is the @ symbol followed by the parameter. Then in parentheses and double quotes, I'll enter the name of the parameter, which is current date time. Next, I'll repeat this to add the user's display name parameter. When I click outside of the text box, the parameters are displayed. Knowing how to use system parameters saves time by eliminating the need to create them in each workbook when it is a common parameter use case. Find additional videos in this series and more resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.